Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide a product from your Wix website. So in order to actually hide a product, hiding a product basically means that you are hiding it and not actually deleting it. Hiding basically means that when you're maybe out of stock of your product and you want to simply hide it, then what you can simply do is hover over your product page and click on Manage Products right here. Once you've done that, what you can simply do is go to any product you want to hide, and then next to that product you will see this small box where you can click on, and then you can right here click on Set Visibility, and you want to make sure you click on Hide from Online Store, and now it will basically be hidden from your online store. It will also give this icon right here, and when you click on that again, it will be shown again, and this is really nice for when products are out of stock, so you basically want to hide it, and then when they're in stock again, you can show them again. So yeah, that's literally all we need to know. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.